Good medical morning. Today's case study is Kelly, 24-year-old female, with a case of tonsil stones. The source video was originally featured on the Dr. Gilmore fan page. Tonsil stones are calcified bits of debris and dead bacteria lodged in the tonsil crypts. They can cause discomfort, bad breath, and mild swelling, although they usually are benign. We'll show you some other examples as well, but Kelly was able to remove them with a lighted pick, as you can see in the video. If you watched a previous video, you may remember she was concerned that she may need a tonsillectomy. The last video was about a month ago, and she hadn't had any tonsil stones since then. So she thought maybe the problem had cleared up. But then one morning, these stones appeared. For those of you that have experience with tonsil stones, does this seem normal to you, or should she visit a doctor and see about possibly getting a tonsillectomy? So here are some more examples.
Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave us a comment below if you've ever had tonsil stones and what you did to get rid of them. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time. Adios. Hey folks, take a look at this lighted pick. It's a great tool for removing tonsil stones, which are smelly, calcified chunks of bacteria, mucus, and dead cells lodged in the tonsils. The rounded shape is great for gently removing stones on your own, and the light lets you see what you're doing. These picks are a great addition to your medicine cabinet. So check out the Amazon link below to get one for yourself. Thanks for watching.
Sometimes I had a hard time falling asleep, especially before big events at work. My mind would race. Rest More allows my mind to relax naturally, and it helps me get to bed at the same time every night. Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.